We're in the Whitsundays, Australia, home to the fringe of the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, full of sea life, beautiful beaches, and incredible sailing grounds. With local Naro blessing, we've been welcomed to sail in these ancient Aboriginal waters. And we're sailing this luxury catamaran. With 3 other epic sailing YouTube channels. If you haven't seen last week's episode, we suggest you do. But here's another quick introduction. We'll be spending our week aboard with 5 people we only just met. Slim and Soph from Sailing NAKAMA.
The goat has some really nice balls.
Ryan from Sailing Sunday.
I just have to close that laptop screen and put the moisturiser.
And Christina and John from Christina's Travels.
They're
They're girthy.
You gotta give them a test.
Yeah.
You were the last one in the room.
This is it, guys. Oh my god, don't tip the groceries. Oh my god, Jason.
Oh, 3 bags of lunch. Look at you guys.
Wow.
We have a lot of food. Imagine that just exploded.
I know, it's like shaking like it was a bowl of champagne. It's milk.
Avoid
Happy anniversary, guys. Ryan and John. It's our official first day and we're up and going. We're on the move to a place called Caves Cove on Hook Island, which is about 15 nautical miles from Early Beach. We're walking it! Woohoo!
Which boy are you thinking? Do you want to have a look over here first?
We picked up one of the many free mooring buoys in the Whitsundays. Oh, look at this little baby beach over here. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god!
We are moving fishing because we keep getting random swell kind of coming into the anchorage and bumping us around all over this place. So we're going to move on around the corner. It'll be a little bit more protected there. And then it'll probably be dinner time. I don't know if we're going to get time to really do anything on land today. But tomorrow will be like a full day. We'll have the whole day to explore.
Okay, I'm not actually doing this, am I? Like,
You've got this.
Just a short motor around the corner, 1 nautical mile further, and we arrived in Stonehaven Bay.
guys.
Happy anniversary, guys. Good on you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
It was Christina and John's 14-year anniversary. How incredible is that? We celebrated with some sunset drinks and then it was time to fire up the barbie.
You know what? The battery on the GoPro is dead, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me.
I'm not judging, bro.
Wait, you got a phone too?
Yeah. Oh, on it.
Oh, mate, this is a shot.
Is it? That's
Yeah.
the one. That's the one. That's the
It actually looks really good.
Do you guys want some help? Do you guys need help cooking dinner? Alright, what's up? Alright, so sunset.
You guys doing alright cooking dinner?
Wait, Brad said don't get the barbecue dirty, and if we do get dirty, just make sure we clean it. The least we can do. Yeah, that was just reasonable. Yeah.
You can crash the boat, but just clean them up.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, guys, we totally need... Did no one think to get tongs? Is this what happens when the boys cook?
I was born ready. We're born ready, yeah. Maybe it's Maybelline, maybe it's Anton.
Yeah, okay. So when those sausages are cooked, I now expect you to pick them up with your fingers.
It's a good barbecue though, eh? You gotta give them a test.
Yeah. How good. Barbecue. Nice calm anchorage and the sunset. Woohoo!
Is this un-Australian, letting a female cook on the barbecue?
Pass me the beer then.
So we are taking over the boat today. We are heading to Black Island. Supposedly there's a shelf that we can go diving. And then I think we're going to head to Butterfly Bay. It's not a bad place to be.
Not a bad place to be.
Not at all. Alright, so what are we doing, Captain?
We're leaving. Is everyone ready to go? Woo! Let's do it!
The main thing is just telling everyone else what to do.
So that
That's
I
your
look
job.
good and I don't have to do anything?
That's what the best captains are.
Like a paper doll in a 50s magazine, I'll play the part just to catch a scent of your perfume through the breeze.
So Slim has talked this place up. He reckons it's the best diving you can do on the Whitsundays. So
Oh, God.
if it's
Is it? Is that what you said?
The best diving we've done, yeah.
Oh, nice.
You're in for a treat.
Awesome.
Great.
I'm excited.
What do you think of my weddy? My over extra large weddy.
I think you.
Is that right? Is it the other way around?
Oh!
I'm so keen to dip in the water. This thing is like a walking sauna.
I think we're all shedding kilos back here.
Yeah.
Shedding them.
Doing a sweat challenge.
No wheels. We don't need no wheels.
When there's 7 of us, it's fine.
Yeah. When it's two, it's a different story.
Each word as it glides
Hey, Captain,
Yeah.
tell me what you want me to do.
Drive.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm handing over responsibility to you. I trust you.
All right. I'll drive, but you've got to tell everyone else what to do.
Alright, everyone else, get a beer! No.
Damn. Okay. I guess I'll do everything by myself.
We're on our way to Butterfly Bay from Black Island. I think we might try and get the heady out. We're not going too far, so it's probably not worth getting the mainsail up. And then we'll have an early night, and we're getting up early to go snorkeling tomorrow in a spot that we want to go early before everyone else gets there, because it just gets a little bit crazy with day tripper boats. So we'll go early so we can get the best of it, and then hang out and do whatever we want for the rest of the day.
We've got Hayman Island that has a massive reef here, and then also Black Island just continues on for like another 100 metres. So we've got a little gap we've got to go in between that I'm getting pretty close to.
How good. Best seat in the house. Up on deck. On the top deck.
I don't know if we've got a tide going with us, but this is comfortably going 7 knots right now.
Wow. Doesn't even feel like we're doing 7 knots. That's crazy. This boat's stunning. No afternoon is complete without a little dinghy adventure.
Videos on the internet? Are you guys still inside?
The other redhead went that way,
I love it how we're all just excited for the goat.
The goat has some really nice balls. Big balls.
The goat has some really
They're
nice
girthy.
balls.
Whoa, shit, I was going to say, come on, pull, but you got it.
And it was all fun and games until we both had to be rescued off the swing. We're making skewers. What have we got here? We've got lemon and ham chicken, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, eggplant, halloumi, capsicum, and red onion. We had an early night, ready for an early morning adventure tomorrow.
We've been woken up to a bit of rolly weather. The engine's turned on and we're heading to a new destination. We actually have a new captain today, Slim and Soph. So our lives are in their hands right now. Yeah, so we've been on this cat for about 3 or 4 days now. And how crazy is that? We've been on it for 3 or 4 days.
Yeah, although first night we were in the marina.
In the marina, yeah.
Yeah. Second day we did our briefing for a couple of hours.
But this thing is literally like a massive apartment, like a 4-bedroom apartment. It's just insane.
We're actually like motoring, not sailing right now, but we can just sit inside and watch out the windows while we're having a chat, having breakfast, using the bathroom, whatever we want to do.
We've literally got everything on this boat. We've got aircon, we've got a microwave, we've got a coffee machine,
The pod machine, yeah.
kettle,
Ice maker.
water maker, you name it, it's on this boat. It's literally like a house on
Yeah.
water.
Every room has an ensuite. Every room has like a double bed, like pretty much a square double bed, hey?
Yep, yep.
This is luxury out here. Like, I'm just, man, I want this boat.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
We have arrived at Monterey Bay. It's probably one of the most popular spots in the Whitsundays. It's quite beautiful, but it's also got a really famous Maori wrasse here called George. He's something like 40 years old.
Oh.
He's a big male, and he's the only male in the area. And when he passes, which he eventually will, one of the females in the area will, I don't know, what the
Become a male, hey?
become male, the biggest
Yeah.
female. So he's hugely famous in this area. So we wanted to get here bright and early this morning, hence the early wake up, because there probably will be a lot of tourist boats at one point. We don't want to be dealing with that.
Yeah, we don't want all the fish to piss off.
Yeah, we kind of, I don't know, we're selfish like that. We want it to ourselves.
Yeah.
So,
That's what happens when you're a liveaboard.
yeah, we're here early. We'll probably lap it up as long as we can, and once we start seeing a flotilla of like dive and snorkel boats coming, we might
Move
go
on.
to the next thing.
Yeah,
I'd like
sounds
to tell you
good.
we had a plan, but we're still working on it.
Sounds like us, don't worry.
Yeah, yeah, I'm looking at him going,
Here we go. Here we go. This is how you do it, folks.
there's tons of them. I thought it was just two.
They all come out of the
Come out of the bushes.
yeah.
Holy.
Here you go.
Ah.
Look at them.
We ran out of ice in the esky, so we thought we'll use the ice maker, add a little bit of water to fill it up, and it will fasten up the process, I suppose. And now we've got a big block of ice that we're going to put in our esky now.
So yeah, we kind of did it like this, didn't we? Like filled it up
Yeah.
with ice cubes and then filled the rest up with water, and it kind of gave it like a head start in the freezer.
Yeah, it's kind of like the before and after.
It's really cool, yeah. Accidental before and after. We were lucky enough to have the whole place to ourselves, so we quickly launched the dinghy and took it over to a mooring in the shallows.
How good does it feel not having to do anything today, not being skipper?
Yeah, that's my kind of sailing.
Being chauffeured.
Kick back and relax, guys.
Thanks, Skip.
Yeah, it's alright.
If you need us to do anything, just let us know.
Yeah, I don't. We will.
If you haven't gathered already by now, we decided to skipper the boat for a day each, mostly so we could boss each other around on our day and go wherever we wanted. What's happening, guys?
Just get ready for.
About to get hit by a massive storm!
Holy shit. After a little bit of fun in the wind, waves and rain, we arrived at a place called Can Bay. There's an incredible hike to a lookout here, but you'll just have to go and check out everyone else's channels to see. It was pretty damn insane. You'll find the links for those in the description. Good job, captains.
Morning, Jace.
Morning, mate. There's a lot of pressure on you today.
We're just talking about what the plans are.
Well, I'm going to defer to Janae. It's birthday girl. She gets to choose where she goes.
But you're skipper.
Skipper needs to make sure everyone's happy. So
Yeah.
particularly Janae.
That's your primary concern. Safety and happiness.
So we are going to Border Island first, and then we're going to be heading to Hill Inlet, which is absolutely beautiful. Clear waters. It's right next to Whitehaven, and the colours are just spectacular. You guys are going to absolutely love it. And then we're going to be just sailing past Whitehaven, and we're going to make our way to Chalkies, which pretty much has sand that is as pure white as Whitehaven.
couldn't ask for too much more on your birthday.
Nah.
You're on a $1 million catamaran.
Yeah, how did this happen?
In the Whitsundays. Beautiful weather.
Feeling confident about this?
A little bit. Nah, it's alright. I think it's pretty cool having the ability to like pivot it.
Yeah. We arrived at Border Island and it was looking pretty incredible for a snorkel. But first, birthday brekkie. The girls made me feel very special by surprising me with the most epic pancake birthday cake.
You gotta blow your candles out.
Okay.
How do you feel? Where's your phone, hon?
I feel 21.
Birthday, Nellen. So good.
After our best snorkel here yet, we were on our way to one of our favourite spots, Hill Inlet at Whitehaven Beach. I see Whitehaven! Woohoo! Are you excited?
Yeah, we've just arrived at probably one of the nicest beaches in the world.
Yes, agree. It was time to check out Chalkies Beach on Hazelwood Island. Chalkies Beach supposedly has sand just as white as Whitehaven, but without all the tourist boats. So what do you think, hon?
Beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is probably the nicest beach I've laid my eyes on.
It's pretty stunning.
Like, we've been to a lot of beaches too, and this is up there for one of my favourites.
It feels so nice. It's like, I can't even explain it. It's like nice and cold. Nice and cold, but super fine, like you're playing with flour. All right, you ready? I'm gonna see how far I get before I stall. You might assume that Chalkies is named after the sand, replicating chalk powder. But actually, Chalkies was named after a local businessman, David Hutchin, who visited the beach as a destination in day cruises. The name comes from his use of a blackboard for scorekeeping in beer drinking contests following the Sydney to Hobart yacht race.
Are you nervous to drive a boat that's twice as wide as yours?
Nah, man, I've got this. I am super fucking nervous. No. Oh man, you know what? I'm learning how to use the throttle. I'm learning how to use the navigation. I'm learning how to use the steering wheel.
Well, we're going in a straight line, so that's a good thing.
Yeah, I know. Thanks, autopilot.
Say something cool.
I get used to this. What's up? Like and subscribe. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Whitsunday Freedom is now. Is the anchor up? I'm just doing.
We made it to the main part of Whitehaven Beach, which extends over 7 kilometres, with sand made up of 98% pure tiny silica beads.
Adventure time.
Woohoo! It can get pretty hot in Queensland, and these tiny beads don't retain heat from the sun, making it the perfect sand for beach strolls without burning the soles of your feet.
We're just hiking to Whitehaven Beach Lookout. I do have sandals, but I haven't put them on because I got sand everywhere. So I'm doing it barefoot and it's a little crunchy on the feet. We're at the top. That's Whitehaven Beach. I'm assuming that's Chance Bay. All the islands, stunning. Look at this. You don't get this in Europe. Not without paying a premium price, that's for sure. You need to come out with something Japanese.
Oishi! You got that perfectly at the moment. Oh, that is beautiful. We've got like 5 more hours on Whitsunday freedom. Not even.
Yeah. Oh my god.
That's
Say
it.
goodbye to my new bedroom and my new ensuite. Bye-bye Whitsundays.
We had such an epic week with this group of legends. Such incredible people in their own way, and after just 6 days, we have made friendships that will last a lifetime. And that's all thanks to Portland Road Sailing the Whitsundays for hosting us on one of their beautiful catamarans to sail in narrow sea country, the Whitsundays. And because we'd love you to experience the same, we have an incredible offer just for our subscribers for a generous discount off your entire booking. We also have a special deal for our patrons. Details for both of those are in the description below. We hope you enjoyed our Whitsundays series. Make sure you head on over and check out everyone's episodes as we left a few stories untold. We'll see you next week, back in Greece, back in the boatyard.
It's a day